Welcome to Infigyan friends. In this video, we are going to take up another challenging equation and expression problem. Here we have given x is equal to cube root of 3 over 1 plus cube root of 3 plus cube root of 9. We have to find out or simplify this expression value 4x cube plus 9x plus 1 over 8x cube plus 18x minus 1. So let's get started by writing our substitution. Cube root of 3, I will presume a. So I will write in the numerator it is a, denominator it is 1 plus a. What about cube root of 9? Once we are having cube root of 3 as a, then cube root of 9 we will write a square. How it is? I will write 9 as 3 square, whole power is 1 by 3. Now using exponent property, I can switch these powers. Means I can write like this, 3 power 1 by 3, whole power is 2. Now 3 power 1 by 3 is cube root 3, whole power 2. So this will become a square. Property used here, a power b whole power c. It can be written as a power c whole power b. Now I will put this value in the given equation. X is equal to, so let me write here, x is equal to a over 1 plus a square. Now I will use one algebraic identity. It is a cube minus 1 cube formula, a cube minus b cube. So I can write a minus b in second bracket, a square plus b square plus ab. So in place of b it is 1. So from here I will find out our denominator. So I can write a square plus a plus 1 equal to a cube minus 1 over a minus 1. So I will put now a value here. So I can write it is cube root of 3 cube minus 1 over cube root of 3 minus 1. Cube and cube root it will be over. So what is left? 3 minus 1 over cube root of 3 minus 1. So ultimately this denominator of our given equation x will be 2 over cube root 3 minus 1. Now I will put this value here. So x will become a over, let me write a over 1 plus a square. And what we calculated, 1 plus a square, this value we calculated 2 over cube root of 3 minus 1. Now let us put over here. So I will write a was cube root of 3 over denominator is 2 over cube root of 3 minus 1. So next step I can write it is cube root of 3 times cube root of 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Now I will expand. Let's take the product. So I will be writing it is cube root of 3 times cube root of 3 minus cube root of 3. Directly we can write it is cube root of 9 minus cube root of 3 divided by 2. So this is ultimately our x value. Now multiply this equation with 2. So I will write 2x is equal to cube root of 9 minus cube root of 3. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So let me consider cubing. 2x is equal to cube root of 9 minus cube root of 3. Cube. But before that, I will write the formula of a cube minus, or better is to write a minus b whole cube. So it is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Let's apply. I will write here cube root 9 cube, a cube is done, minus cube root 3 cube, a cube minus b cube is over, minus 3 times cube root of 9 cube root 3, in bracket we'll write cube root of 9 minus cube root of 3, bracket close. Now cube and cube term we will cancel out, cube and cube root term, so these two will cancel out. So what is left? 9 minus 3 minus 3. Now 9 times 3 cube root is common, so I will write cube root 27, in bracket cube root 9 minus cube root 3. This is 2x again from here, so I will write 2x again. Left hand side is 8x cube. So if we will simplify further RHS our, then 9 minus 3, 6 minus 3 times cube root of 27, we will write 3 again, then in bracket 2x. So in next step we can write 9 minus 6 minus 9 times 2x, which is 6 minus 18x, and LHS is 8x cube. If I will add both sides 18x, then 8x cube plus 18x, it would be 6. Now equation is divisible by 2, so I will divide this equation with 2. Let me write here 8x cube plus 18x equal to 6. Let us divide this equation by 2, so I will write 4x cube plus 9x equal to 3. Now see our expression. I will write this expression as 4x cube plus 9x plus 1 over, from first two term 2 is common, 4x cube plus 9x minus 1. Now we can put 4x cube plus 9x value directly, it is 3. So if I will be putting here, then it would be 3 plus 1 divided by 2 times 3 minus 1. So this expression value will come out 4 over 6 minus 1. So ultimate value will be 4 over 5. So our answer becomes 4 over 5. I hope this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care.